Hey guys, what is up? I hope you guys are doing well. I hope you're healthy. It's been a long time since I have bought anything from Miss A, from Shop Miss A. And if you don't know anything about Shop Miss A, well, you are very lucky because today I am going to change your life. Shop Miss A is an online shop where everything there is like about $1, and sometimes they have things from like $2 to $3. They have really affordable eyeshadow palettes, and their makeup typically is super good. Like, it's crazy how good their makeup is for $1. So I kind of went crazy. I went on there and I shopped and I shopped and I shopped and I shopped until I couldn't shop anymore because I really wanted to do like a whole Shop Miss A full face type of situation. So I bought a ton of things and a ton of extra things. So I will be having a full face of nothing but Shop Miss A coming next week. So make sure that you're subscribed, that you hit that notification bell so you're notified of all my future videos. I upload Wednesday and Friday, and you definitely don't want to miss out. And also, if you like Shop Miss A, if you like dollar makeup, if you like affordable makeup, any of the above, give me a big old fat like. It really does help me out a ton. Seriously, like, just knock that thing. Just hit that thing. Just give me a thumbs up for this video. And let's just get started. So you can see, I'm not exaggerating. Like, move these things. You can see how much I got on there. Let's start with the not fun things, but I just found it necessary to buy because I saw them there and I was like, why not? There are these headbands. They're multi-scarf, high quality, total sports headgear. It didn't say that when I first went to buy it, but they're headbands, and I need headbands to keep my hair back when I wash my face. So I bought 2 pink and 1 like a neon color. I don't know if my thought process with buying 2 was I was gonna do like a giveaway and add it into a bag. I'm not sure. I don't remember because it's been a month because of the whole Corona situation. It took like a month for these products to get here, but I'm guessing that's for like a giveaway or something. I have it on autofocus and I hope I'm not like going in and out. Not sure if I should put it on manual focus, but I wanted to kind of try that out, try that situation out, and hopefully it's not too obnoxious, and hopefully I don't ruin this video by it. Another thing I got was the AOA Fresh Dry Shampoo. I've never tried a dry shampoo from them, and I've never seen a dry shampoo, so I was really curious. Let's try it out. I'm gonna swatch basically everything today. Whoa! Did you see how much came out of that? Okay, let's whoa. Dry shampoo this baby. I can't smell anything. I mean, it's not leaving a white mark. That's good, right? It's I kind of dry shampooed a little bit today. Whoa, this thing is strong, but it like sprays this way rather than like this, so it's not gonna get in one spot. It gets like in multiple spots. Kind of excited. I think this was only $1. If I'm not mistaken. Wow. Oh, I can smell it now. Yep, smells fresh. I can smell it. I like it. I also got a Pawpaw Wonder Blender. This one was $1.55, but I'm pretty sure these Pawpaw ones, the proceeds, part of the proceeds will go towards protecting animals against abuse. I'm all about that. If you didn't know, I have a pet channel. I'll link that below. Wow, this is actually really soft. I'm excited. I don't think I've tried this particular one. With that, I got the Argan Oil Sponge Soap. Again, $1.50 from Pawpaw. Well, it's AOA, but it's like a Pawpaw kind of thing. So it's just a little soap in there to clean my sponges because my sponge is dirty. Look at this. Just despicable. Just dirty in all the wrong places. What?
Wow, Sharon, wow. Can I just say wow one more time? I didn't realize that I had, like, I'm not sure what that was, like, eyeshadow all up in here. Don't know what that super hot.
Oh, they also have sanitizing wipes, and I thought that this was really nice, something to put in my car. I also got this Giove Sun Glow Shimmer Bronzer, just in case you guys didn't see. I got this foundation to contour with. This one is in the shade Cappuccino. I just kind of thought maybe I could contour with this, so got this baby. And then I did get this Giove Sun Glow Shimmer Bronzer as well. But now I'm looking at it, it might be a little too dark, maybe when I'm tan, I'm not sure. Let me swatch this. Yeah, it's pretty dang dark. I mean, look at that. Maybe with a light hand, but that's pretty dark to put on my face as a bronzer, you know? Anyways, let's try these little sanitizing wipes, shall we? Now that I swatched my first swatch. Ooh, these smell minty. These definitely smell minty. And they're very saturated. Wow, I'm impressed. I thought that they would not be saturated because it's $1. Wow, I like these. These are actually really nice and soft. Okay, continuing on. I did get some lash strip glue because I wanted to try it. It is waterproof, hypoallergenic, no irritation. It is in black and it was the 188 one. I have really sensitive eyes and sometimes the duo black is too much for me. Like it'll make my eyes sting. I can use the Kiss with Aloe black one, but then that one's not as sticky. It doesn't keep your lashes on as long. It's a brush, which is nice. So I'll be trying that baby out. Yeah, I got a couple of their pigments because they were just $1. And these, whoa, these are actually pretty gorgeous. And they're the same size as the Zodiac pigments, which is a pretty freaking good size, a good amount. I have Spell, Wand, which is like a coppery shade, and Enchant, which is kind of like a peachy pink with like gold flecks in there. So let's open that up and swatch it. Whoa. This is gorgeous. You guys, if you're picking something up, pick this up. Spell, oh my gosh. It looks like liquid gold crumbs off of a gold rock. I hope that made somewhat sense. Wow, holy gorgeousness. Oh my gosh. Wait, I mean, you saw me barely dip my finger in there, right? Like you saw that, you witnessed that. Holy gorgeous, look at this. Holy gorgeous. You guys, this all over the lid will make the most beautiful, smoky, sexy eye in the world. Oh my freaking gosh. Okay, so that's Spell. Let's rip these open. Okay, this one I'm really excited about because it looks really beautiful in like the container. Wow, yeah. Look at that. Oh, my goodness. I mean, you guys are seeing, I'm barely dipping for whatever's on the cap. Wow. Yes, 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 yes. Wow. Holy. And these are like foiled, so it's not glitter, it's like, looks like a foiled loose pigment. Can you see that? I'm gonna have to, after I swatch these, do a video on my phone so you can see like my hand. You can see what I'm seeing so we can have the same visual here because it is so beautiful. All right, this copper shade. What is it? Called Wand. Why would they call it Wand? Why would they call a copper shade Wand unless it had something special in it? Gorgeous. Wow, wow. This looks like a straight up clean, the cleanest penny I have ever seen. Okay, can you see that? All right, let me bring you in to my world a second with my broken phone. I'm getting a new phone because this one's broken. You can see the makeup I have left here. But look at this. Whew. Can you see this gorgeousness? Holy gorgeous. Whoa, wowzas. Okay, I brought you guys in. You could see how much makeup I have left to share with you guys. Wow, that is gorgeous. I'm super excited because I was gonna use those for the $3 and under because I couldn't find eyeshadows that were $3 and under, and I wanted like a really nice pigment, and those are just the bomb. Okay, I also got a couple of other of these like single eyeshadows that were just $1, and I got some like matte kind of nude colors to kind of help complement a look. What is going on here? So these are from Amuse. They're called the Smoky Eyes shadows. This one's in the shade Nude, which is just a nude color, and I thought would be perfect as a transition shade, and it has like a peachiness to it. Wow, this one's a lot more pigmented than I thought it was gonna be. And even though these are matte, these have like a very soft, matte, not dry feel to them, which I'm really excited. Wow, just for $1. You guys, that's what I'm talking about. You don't have to spend a ton of money. I would just save that and get a really good foundation. Like seriously, that's my honest train of thought. Although there are some really bomb drugstore foundations, like the one I'm wearing today is my absolute favorite. Okay, and this one's just like a warm brown. This one's called Cinnamon. You can kind of see that. It's beautiful. I love it. It's a beautiful color. I could see myself using that all the time. Really beautiful. And then the last one here I got so I could have some sort of a highlight shade. This is definitely gonna highlight my brow bone. These are so soft. Very impressed. And they feel almost creamy when I swatch them. Like very, very creamy. I'm kind of digging the giving you guys like cell phone swatches. What do you guys think about that? Let me know. All right, so here are those three swatched, and you can see that they're matte, but they don't look dry. Like they're very soft. I don't think I've ever tried their blushes. I do have AOA Studio liquid lipsticks, and one of my favorite, like orangey red. Every time I wear it, you guys always ask me about it, and it's from this AOA Studio $1 liquid lipsticks, and they last all day long. I need to do a lipstick video of lipsticks that just last all day long, because it would surprise you how affordable my favorite liquid lipsticks are that just last all day long. It would surprise you. You would be surprised. This one is called Wispy. Looks like this. Beautiful. Very soft. Ooh, this is like a pretty, this would be a really pretty just blushing color here. And then I have this one, which is more of a true peach, called Dandy. And I know you can't see but it in the screen, but it looks peachy. That on the screen for some reason looks more nude than it is, but this is straight peach. The other one's like a peachy pink. Can you see that now? Wow, I feel like I've pretty much hit the jackpot. I feel like that Miss A full face is gonna look gorgeous. Okay guys, I did have to get some lipsticks. I did have to, because I just did. And I do love AOA Studio liquid lipsticks. They look like this. I probably have all their liquid lipsticks at this point. I have so many, and I decided to get some that are more brownie nude because I have all kinds. I have their reds, I have their oranges, I have a ton of their lipsticks. I have like their darker colors. Why am I struggling to open this right now? So here are the colors. They're more like nudes. Here we have, this one is called Naked. I'm gonna love that one. That one's beautiful. Okay, then we have here Bombshell one. Then we have here an even orangier brown. I mean, look how orangey brown that is. It's gorgeous. I love that. But it's called Nude. Why is it called Nude? And then this one is Nom Nom. Like Nom Nom. Ooh. Whoa, this one is beautiful. This is a straight up peach. Straight up delicious peach. It's probably why they call it Num Num. All right, and I gotta hurry up and take these off because once these dry down, they don't come off. I mean, look at that. Can you see? Like once they dry down, they don't come off. Like you don't need a liner underneath. They will stay on. I've never tried their AOA Studio Lip Pop. This one's in the shade Role Model, and so I kind of wanted to try it. I was interested. I'm not sure if it's like a gloss or if it's supposed to be like a shiny liquid lipstick or like a cream lipstick. So let's open it and see. Oh, it has, I like that. I was expecting it to be squeezy. 2 things left. And what is left? We need liner and brows. So I got this brow gel, this AOA Studio brow gel, and this could go horribly wrong, but I really was interested and wanted to try it. And I think the shade I got may, like it's gonna fit me, but I think it's kind of dark. I would have gone with something a little bit lighter. It's super pigmented, long lasting, and smudge proof. I'm gonna test that out because my kids are all up in my business all day long, all up in my face. I have, you know, just craziness going on. So we're gonna see if this really is smudge proof. And this is the shade, this is medium brown. Can you see how dark that is? Oh, that actually might be perfect. Look at it. And I like that it's not red because sometimes they do brow products that are red, but it says it's a brown, like a dark brown, but then it's red. So I'm excited to try this out. And then we have the AOA Studio Gel Liner plus Shadow in Buttercream. And don't be fooled. Buttercream is not like a bright, when you hear buttercream, you think of like a brown, a light color, a creamy brown. No, this isn't. This is a glittery black, is what this is. Black. Can you see that? Interesting. It's like it's a liner and a shadow. Wow, it's gorgeous though. Wow, this is gorgeous. How is this gonna work as a liner if it feels so creamy? This doesn't give it justice. It is beautiful. It is beautiful. It has like iridescent, almost blue and purple little flecks of very small, finely milled glitter in there. I'm gonna leave this on there to see if it like will dry. Oh! It dried. I was just going to feel it to see if it dried, and it dried. It doesn't look like it did because it's super shiny, but it dried. So maybe this will be a good liner and a very permanent shadow. Again, very beautiful smoky eye. Wow, like I'm having a hard time taking it off. Okay, so that might be a really good liner. Oh my gosh, if that is an amazing liner, I might just go back and buy some of the other colors because they have some pretty cool colors, and I didn't buy them because some of them were sold out, but they have like green and yellow and all these fun colors, and I didn't get them. I should have though. Should have tried to get as much as possible because who would have known that they would have been so good. It's freaking only $1. So that's everything that I got from Shop Miss A. I will link Shop Miss A down below, and I'll try to link as many of these products as I possibly can. That's gonna take me forever, but I'll do it for you because I love you guys. Don't forget to subscribe, you guys. Don't forget to subscribe so that you can be here whenever I try all these Miss A products on my face and make a full face glam look. And also, I'm going to use some of these also for the $3 and under video as well. So you don't want to miss out on these affordable videos. You want to be subscribed. I upload Monday, Wednesday. But yeah, that's it, you guys. My crazy haul. Honestly, I love haul videos. Old YouTube where there's just tons of hauls everywhere. I just love that. I love that time. I love those type of videos. I love that YouTube. Everything's so different now. Which I still love. It's different, but I hope you guys enjoyed this old school haul. Let me know if you guys enjoyed it, and let me know if there's something you've tried from Miss A that you really like and you think I should try. Like, let me know, because I might just go back and get some more gel liners, and I'll need more things to make it worth it. You know, like I have to spend a certain amount to make it worth it. Is that like the total backwards thinking or what? Everything's so affordable though. When you have everything that's $1, it's like it's easy for you to add things in your cart and you're like, yeah, more. It's easy because everything's $1. So So you feel like you're getting your money's worth. It feels so satisfying. I hope you have a good rest of the week, and I will see you later. Bye guys.